These are our Coldbreak coupler cleaning caps. They come in black, white, gray, and Coldbreak blue. And they have a logo on there, so you know they're legit. So basically, when you're done cleaning your system with our cleaning can, you disengage your coupler, and you'll see on the cleaning cap, there's two little ribs. I don't know if you can see that. And they line up with the two slots on the coupler. And you slide it on, give it a little twist, and that will keep your coupler clean. If you're at an outdoor event and you need to set your couplers down, you won't get dirt in there. The other cool thing is once you get done sanitizing your system, your jockey box that is, or jumper box, you engage the coupler like so, and it'll push the CO2 through the coil and force all the liquid out. So when you travel, you won't leak all over the place or what have you. So pretty cool little product. Highly recommend it if you're doing outdoor events, because dirt, especially in the sand, we do a Burning Foot Beer Festival here in Michigan, which is a great time, but let's be honest, sand finds a way into every little place you can imagine, every place. So check us out, coldbreakusa.com. Social media, we're at coldbreakusa. If you ever have any questions, reach out, support@coldbreakusa.com.